Warren Buffett puts it best. There are two different types of investments. There are productive investments and unproductive investments. Productive investments are things that pay you money month over month or year over year. That's something like owning a rental property or owning stocks or index funds that pay you a dividend, or something like owning your own business, which might be able to grow and pay you more money month over month in perpetuity. And then there's unproductive investments. That could be things like real estate. If it's just your house, you don't make any money off of it, you just pay your mortgage, that would be an unproductive investment. If you have cryptocurrency, or if you buy real gold and silver bullion coins like I do, that would be an unproductive investment as well. What's important to know about these unproductive investments is that they do not produce cash flow like a business would. And there's just a certain amount of downside that comes with that. And that's why I don't put a ton of my personal savings into unproductive investments. I would rather own productive investments, but there still is a case to own unproductive investments like crypto, gold and silver, and even just your own home. There's plenty of good reasons why. Things like hedging against inflation, just having your own home to live in. Kai, you're sneezing in my video, dude. Protect your wealth in terms of a recession, or if you have a corrupt government, or if your currency is quickly collapsing and you need a way to get out, those unproductive investments offer a good solution. Now, my number one warning, if you are going to be buying gold and silver as an investment, is to not buy it in the stock market. The entire purpose of you buying gold and silver is to own that unproductive hedge. And if you are buying it in the stock market as an index fund, typically those are very leveraged. And so a lot of those, if there were to be some sort of big disaster, a lot of those would not provide as much value as actually owning the physical gold and silver or cryptocurrencies, or owning your own home as far as that goes. And if you've enjoyed this video so far and want to continue bettering your money in simple, easy ways like this, then give this video a subscribe and maybe like it too, if you did like it, or if you didn't like it, tell me why. I wanna know. I wanna know what your thoughts are, and welcome to the Money with Mark community. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. These are pretty cool. I don't know why I'm blowing on it.